Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Prince. I'm come back with my new video. So today's topic is how to nurture the children. So we have the illusion in our society that parents are thinking about that what worked for you might not work for your children. So what they didn't achieve in their own life, they want to impose those habits to their children, and their children eventually fail because they have different dreams. They want to do something else which is aligning with their body, mind, thoughts, and emotion. But we are imposing them to become something else. I want to give you the example. In the Indian society, most of the parents are praising their children to become an engineer or doctor only. That is their thinking ability, because they always want to earn more money. They didn't care about uh, the the dream of their children's. That is the biggest inclusion. So guys, my message to you, for each and every parent, that if you want that your children will grow, give them a space, give them a space for self exploration, so that they can explore, they can see the world by their own eyes, by not by your eyes. How you perceive the world, the same way your children will not perceive, right? So please stop that, and don't allow your success become a burden for your kids. This is also one of the things. If anybody in a family is a doctor, then he wants that her children also become a doctor. Why? Everyone has their own interest. When you are growing up, you want to be a doctor, doesn't mean your children will also become a doctor. Because that is a we need to stop it, right? Sometimes it's happened, children commit suicide just because of that, because they are not made for that profession. But if parents are exerting a pressure on them to become a doctor or engineer, then they will ruin their entire career. They will end up being miserable and disastrous. Change is scary but can be good. Yeah, change is very much important. Suppose if you want to be something, change is important. Just teach your children risk taking, because there's not any guarantee in everything. Success wants 100% advance, and they will not give you the guarantee and refund just like the other products, right? But if you didn't successful in life, you will get the experience, which is the most powerful thing, so that with that experience you can chase for the new target, new dreams. So change is important. Teach your children risk taking is important, otherwise they will fail miserably in the entire career. In this era, in this 21st century, the time is most challenging, because all the things we have equal. The thing which set us apart from other people is our dedication, our talents, and help them strengthen their decision making. Be their guide. This is also one of the most important topic, that we are not allowing our children to make the decisions for their own life. We are deciding that to which college they have to go, what they have to eat, what is good or what is bad for them. At least give them the space to make their own decisions. Otherwise, for the whole life, they will depend upon you, and you are not going to stay in this life. You are here for limited time. Once you go away, what your children will do? So, if you are nurturing your children with that attitude, trust me, they are going to be doing something very bad. They won't be able to deal with the society. They will be fall flat on the ground once you are not there. Because I saw so many people. I have so many friends. When we are going in the restaurant, they won't be able to order dish for themselves. They are always asking other people that what should I order. They are that much of confused. So they see the decision making ability. So how the children can be successful? They cannot be. They fail miserably. Okay, and don't create the dependency. If your child want to over support, don't over support your children. You're going to over support it. Suppose if your children need 100 rupees, giving them 1 lakh rupees, so they don't have a mind, so at that time when they were kid, so they are going to do wrong things. They are going to be addicted with bad friends and bad things just like alcohol, smoking, because use of anything in excess is bad. So giving something in excess is obviously very bad, and it create the dependency. They because then they thought that our life is running very smoothly, we don't have to do anything, parents are always there to support. No, don't do that. Only give them the required items, don't give them the over things, right? So that's all, that is a message from my side to the parents. So please do that. I hope you like the video, and stay tuned for my next updated video. And please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.